Welcome everybody. Today we are going to try this IIT mains chemistry question that says in the following reaction Z and O is respectively acting as a and these two options. So first let's talk about ZNO. ZNO is amphoteric oxide. Now what is amphoteric oxide? It is a compound which can act as acid in presence of base and a base in presence of acidic compounds. So in this case, option A, the ZNO is acting as acid as Na2O, as we know, is basic in nature. And in B, ZNO is acting as base since CO2 is slightly acidic in nature. So the correct answer is acid and base. That is option second.